Okay, everybody. The rain has left. There's no rain, but you do see a lot of puddles in the yard. The wind is not as wild as it was, but it has calmed down a little bit. We do have power. We do have our lights and everything, so that's a good thing. See, got the lights, but yeah, the wind is still kind of wild. It hasn't calmed down too much as far as the wind. But the rain is pretty much subsided. It's already gone. The rain has. It has become a whole lot cooler now. It's not as humid. It is muggy as hot as it was. It's really cooled down here. So, you see raindrops is coming from the top of this shelter. But, yeah, the rain has left. It's just now windy and cold. It's getting kind of chilly a little bit out here right now. So I just wanted to give y'all an update on how far it is. It is 6:39 at Eastern Standard Time here in North Carolina. After the worst of Hurricane or Tropical Storm Michael. So, just wanted to give you this update, y'all. Everything seems pretty good other than the wind is blowing. It's gotten a whole lot cooler here. It's getting kind of chilly. So, that's all as far as I know right now, unless there's